So the problems with coral taxonomy, we're getting new information showing that the patterns that we thought about diversity and distributions of organisms are very different to what we previously thought. In order to sort out what these are, we really need to try to work out where these species were collected from. And so that's the point of this workshop.
Today, we're running a digital mapping workshop with the Coral Discovery Project. The Coral Discovery Project is really exciting for me. We're looking at the voyages, the European voyages of exploration that came through the Pacific and round the coast of Australia. We're focusing on the scientific voyages because we're interested in their collecting, and we're trying to put them on the map so that we can see who went where, when, and what they might have picked up along the way. So people will be able to look at the map, look at particular parts of the map and see who went to a particular place, and then link through to those journals, those digitized journals, and extract the information that they need from them. This is really exciting because, again, it breaks out of those barriers between different voyages and between different empires, and lets us get a better view of what was happening in terms of culture contact in any particular place and who was there. Already with this project, we've expanded it to include work-integrated learning for undergraduates who have worked as interns creating data sets for this project. And we've got education lecturers in our group as well, looking to expand these tools to facilitate engagement with schools around our region.
I think this is a fantastic project that will actually mesh both our hard sciences, our biology, and also bring our cultures and histories together into one project to tell a broader story about the coral sea, the Great Barrier Reef, coral collection, and the history of seafaring around this area.
So this workshop is wonderful because it brings so many different people together. We have archaeologists, people within science, coral biologists, people working in digital humanities. And this is only the start. Next month we're going to be meeting in a different format with this group of people, but also traditional owners, people from museums. So it's going to be a wonderful forum for people from different backgrounds coming in with different interests, working together on essentially the same thing around coral discovery.